So in this problem we have a 12-foot ladder leaning against a brick wall, making a 25-degree angle with the ground. And the question is, how far up the wall does the ladder touch? So let's draw a diagram here. So we have the ground, and we have a wall, okay, and a 12-foot ladder. Let's do red ladder. And it makes a 25-degree angle with the ground. That's a really small angle, so it might look like that. This right here is the 25-degree angle. Now we assume that the wall and the ground are at a right angle, which means that we can find this other angle as well, but we really don't need to find the other angle. The question is, how far up the wall does the ladder touch? So what we want to find is this distance. So let's call that, I'll call it y since it's a vertical distance. And the ladder is 12 foot. That's the other piece of information that we know. So we have a right triangle where the hypotenuse is 12 and one angle, the angle with the ground, is 25 degrees. What we can do is set up a trig function or a trig ratio involving these three known values, these three values, and solve for the one unknown value, y. So we need to choose whichever trig function or one of the trig functions that relates an angle to its opposite side and the hypotenuse, okay, which would be either tangent or cotangent. So I'll go with tangent. And I'm choosing tangent because tangent relates the angle to its opposite, not tangent, sine. Silly me. Sine relates the opposite side to the hypotenuse. So y over 12. Seeing if you're paying attention there. Okay, so to solve for y, all we have to do is multiply both sides by 12. So we get 12 times the sine of 25 degrees. And this is one where you would have to approximate on your calculator. So make sure you are in degrees. Take the sine of 25 and multiply that times 12 to get about 5.07, and it looks like we are in feet, 5.072 feet.